Hey, can you hear me? You need, hold on, leave him in the water. I'll be there in a second. I'm right behind you. Come on.
Navarre Beach is an offshore kayak fisherman's paradise. You can catch an abundance of fish just right off the beach a couple miles. You can catch things like sailfish, blackfin tuna, red snapper, just to name a few. But kayak fishing offshore can be quite dangerous, and you always want to do it with a partner and have the right PPE and gear. During this time of the year, we have a lot of inexperienced kayakers coming offshore to catch a blackfin tuna as they're running close to the beach. With that being said, it's good to go with somebody that has experience or even book a charter with an experienced kayak fisherman. The sport is growing rapidly, especially for the offshore game. So in this video, it's going to demonstrate to you why you should always go with a partner. I hope you guys enjoy, and sit back and relax, and let's go catch some fish.
Sean. Fish on, guys. At night too. Sketchy. Let's go. Oh yeah. He's dumping again. He's going again. Going again. I wish I had a headlamp. I might need to push this over there so I can see him. Yo.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, where'd y'all get from that last time?
I'm all right. Oh shit! Watch your profanity.
Where y'all at?
I'm in front of the pier.
Right.
I'm getting dumped right now.
Alright.
Alright, keep your butt shut. Hey, you still got lines out?
I got one line out.
You mind coming help me with your headlamp?
Yeah. You want me to bring it in?
I just can't see right now. Actually, I might be able to get him if you want to keep on fishing, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Bring that ass here, boy.
I'll bring my line in. I don't want to get tangled.
Oh no, my gaff. Nice, my gaff was tangled, I got it. I ain't shocked. That's a big one. Got him. Perfect gaff shot. Perfect gaff shot. Let's fucking go, baby!
Yeah, I got nails back there.
Did it? Oh, that's a stud. Woo! They don't call me big for nothing all of a sudden. Hell yeah. Alright. First tuna of the day at night. I'm gonna go have brain spike in. Yeah. Spike him in the brain. Judo. Alright, he dead. He dead. Let's go, guys. First tuna of the night. Bleeding like a stuck pig, but he's a tank. Let's go. Yoo!
So the bite slowed down mid-morning, so we were trolling around until I heard someone scream my name. Then I got a phone call. Watch what happens.
Yo! Hey, can you hear me? You need, hold on. Leave him in the water. I'll be there in a second. I'm right behind you. Come on. Alright, my buddy Chad needs help. He lost his gaff. I'm gonna go help him real quick. Gaff his fish. Coming to help him. Alright, we'll have a good day. Yo! Hey, can you hear me? You need, hold on. Leave him in the water. I'll be there in a second. I'm right behind you. Come on. Alright, my buddy Chad needs help. He lost his gaff. I'm gonna go help him real quick. Gaff his fish. Coming to help him. Alright, we'll have a good day. Lost his gaff, so I'm gonna go help him real quick. Gaff his fish. Don't high stick it. Be easy with it. Oh no. I'm right next to you, buddy. Did your reel seat come off? How close is the tuna?
It's close.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, take that reel, hold it in your hand like this. See this?
Yeah.
Hold it just like this onto the rod, and just grip out of it and reel them in. Hold it just like a reel seed. I see him.
I had it up.
Yeah, it's fine. If you're high sticking now, you're gonna break your rod. Hey, you can't put it back on the reel seed?
Trying.
Just make sure that drag's pretty loose. You lose your gaff?
Yeah.
Watch your profanity.
Trying to get it in.
I see him down there. I know, he sees it. Just be careful. Hey, oh, watch out, watch out. Oh. There you go. Oh my gosh, buddy. You got it back on the reel or what?
Trying.
All right, don't, just take your time. You're good. Look. His reel came off the reel seed.
All right.
Make sure it's tight. Okay.
There's something wrong with it, man.
Yeah, so just take your time. You want me to grab the rod for you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to grab my rod, put it in your rod holder.
My hands are cramping.
Yeah, that's fine. I know, I understand.
You want to take the rod jack?
Yeah, I'm about to. I'm gonna get them in for you. All right, just watch your line. It's right there. Hey, watch your line. He's on your reel again. Yeah. Watch my camera. Here. Give me your. Watch your profanity. Go grab that. Put it in your rod holder. Don't lose that, please. Hand it to me. I got the reel. Oh, he's diving down. All right, I'm gonna try to get this fixed for you.
It was so good. I had him up there, man. There's his reel right there. Holy shit, man. What the fuck is wrong? Nothing ever goes right with me.
Can't get right.
The reel comes off.
It's okay, man. It happens.
It's not the picture fucking wrong. I had it tightened down as tight as I could get it. I almost came on through. Motherfucker, it's big. And then my gaff fell out.
He lost it. That was an expensive gaff too.
That's why I tied my gaff.
My arms are
Lost the gaff before.
You all right? Ah, nah, I got him. He's right here.
Reel back on, Jack?
Yeah. Ah, this thing is strong.
Fuck a snapper, man. My thing was floating, but
How about this up for you, buddy?
strong fish, man.
Yeah, these tuna ain't no joke. It's a big one too.
I caught yellowfin before, man.
It's
Ain't no joke.
it's different on a kayak, man. You got no leverage.
Yeah.
He's right here though.
Yeah, that's what they do. They do that circle of death.
This might be a 30 pounder.
I think the first one I got is too, man.
I think so too.
The first one I got.
No, that fucker had a second wind on it. I had it in the boat.
Oh, for sure. It's 25 all day. I got a scale with me too.
Yeah.
I don't need it. He's a big boy.
He's seen him when I got in the fish bag. He's pretty big too.
It's a good idea. Oh shit, hook just came out. One hook just came out.
Sure you don't get a gaff?
I mean, he might come off.
You got it. You got it.
Oh, John, he dove down right when I'm about to gaff him.
Let him tire out. Don't gaff it too soon. I learned my lesson with that cobia.
He's hooked right in the eye too.
Toughest part is gaffing him, honestly. What's that? Toughest part is gaffing him.
I got him. One hook in him. One treble in him. One little hook. Yep. Whew.
I'm wrapping my shit with electrical tape. How could that pop out?
Okay. Put him down by your feet.
Yeah.
He's still got his hooks in him.
Right.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, can I troll back?
Hold on. Oh, don't move. Don't move.
Yeah, here you go, Jack.
That's yours.
You didn't get any video, did you?
Yeah, I've been recording the whole time. All right, watch that hook.
My God, Jack. Yeah, I'd be fucked if you guys weren't here.
Oh yeah. I can either get a picture now or on the beach. It's up to you. Do you want a picture now or on the beach?
Wait till we get back.
Yeah, let my hands dry off.
If I catch another one, man, I'm gonna be stoked.
All right, let's just troll way back in. Woo!
Thank you for the assist, Jack.
Yeah, man, no problem. I'm glad I was here. All right, guys, we are in the kitchen. We have some of our fresh blackfin right here. I done cubed it up already. If you want to know how to fillet it, I've made a video. I made a video before, and it will be linked down below, or I'll put it up here somewhere. We're gonna make a poke bowl. I got some sushi rice right here, and first ingredient I want to do is go ahead and add the fresh blackfin tuna that's been bled and kept on ice, just like that. I was gonna use avocado. I went to the store, and none of them were ripe, so I wasn't about to wait because I'm starving. Got some fresh red onions. Sprinkle that on there. I love some red purple onions. Fresh cucumbers. And this is pretty much this sushi and rice, you know. I got this rice seasoning. It's like sesame seed, but it got a little more flavor. Got some seaweed in it too. We'll sprinkle that on there too. Look at that. That just looks good right there. Give a little sesame oil just to add a little flair to it. Give it that Asian flavor. This sesame oil is very strong, so you don't want to add too much. It overpowers. And of course, some soy sauce. And my wife was right. I need more. Of course she's right. And she's gonna rub it in my face. Tell me something. Some more soy sauce because I ran out. I like soy sauce in mine. Make sure it's covered all the way. I'm just gonna put a couple dabbles of wasabi because I love me some wasabi. Wasabi poop. Come on, you gotta shake it off. And there it is. That is a blackfin tuna poke bowl. All right. Now it's time to dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up with the rice. I'm gonna eat this. Oh, it smells good. Just the smell of it smells delicious. Got some fish, some onions, all in one bite so we can get all that flavor in once. And with some wasabi. That's so good. You don't get any fresher than that. Caught this morning about 6 o'clock. The tuna bite has been on fire. They're about to leave now, so I may go out one more day. Because my Clydesdale walking in my house. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna continue eating because I'm starving. See you guys next time.